Hi everyone. So I woke up today feeling super excited, and the reason is because I've been wanting to get a drone for the longest time. Today is gonna be the day where I go get the drone. So I'm gonna get some breakfast, and then Milo is also gonna get a breakfast. My bad. Let me introduce you all to Milo. Milo, come here. Come. So that's Milo right there. That's Milo. So Milo's gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna have breakfast and then I'm gonna head out. Now the main thing is I did a lot of research about the drones and the kind of drones that is beginner friendly and easy to use and stuff like that, right? So I did that research. Now I did find out that a lot of people prefer DJI, right? And the reason why they do that is it's pretty easy to control and fly. The features are very beginner friendly. So that's what I'm trying to get. Initially, I wanted to get this drone called DJI Avatar 2, but I'm thinking it's gonna be way too expensive because I think that's the one that comes with the goggles and the stick thingy that you can fly with. So hopefully it's not too expensive for me to afford. But if it is, then I guess I have to go with something else that I can afford. So yeah, let's go get a drone. So I'm trying to get like a drone, but this guy's impatient. He just wants me to fly or leave. And that ain't how it works here.那这个可以便宜一点吗？这个便宜一点。对，你要几个？现在我要一个。
淘宝卖1589，我们批发不会贵的呢，你放心了，这种是质量好的。
我给你900啊
，900本钱都不够呢，兄弟。
不够吗？那我感觉是
诚心要的，诚心要你就能拿，就是我今天卖了3个，他们都是1050或者1100，没有低于1000的，我1000给你，我们也是剩不多。
我感觉是贵一点。
GPS 的，
我知道。
你是说这个价吗？
对。
没有。
是那对要一个。那现在我可以加你的微信。
现在要一个是吧？
对，现在有一个。
我跟老板申请一下，好不？
好，
申请一下，然后看老板要不要出，要出就出给你。
可以。好。
给90啊？
不是90，是900。对。不行吗
？980。
980。
OK。这个淘宝上是淘宝是卖这个价格的。
对，我看到，然后这里不是淘宝是不是？那现在我可以加你的微信了，我走路看一下，我会来，可以吗？
你是等于900块，你现在就要一个是吧？
对，我说要一个，然后呢，现在你们说不行，所以我扫你的微信，我走路看一下，是我看一下好了，我会来。
给你了，今天也是没什么生意了，给你。
没事，现在我想扫你的微信，没有问题呢。我有很多洗脸，所以没有问题，我会来的。
哪一个给你呢？
没事，我要扫你的微信，我会来，真的。可不可以扫？So basically, I was trying to get like drone, but I think the price they're giving me is it's not making a lot of sense. I feel like I can get that same drone somewhere else, like a lot cheaper. So I'm taking my chances to, ask for other prices, because I'm not gonna pay 900 for that drone. The camera quality, as I saw, looked ass. Like, I'm not supposed to be using these words, but I don't know why. Like, it doesn't look the way it's supposed to look, and I feel like I could get it for a cheaper price. So I'd rather take my chances and check out the spots to see if I can get it or not. Because initially he says it's like 1,500, and then he's gonna reduce the price for me, maybe around 1,200, I think, and then 1,200. Like, I mean, when I listen to what they're saying, it showed me a price on an app here that we usually buy from. Showed it on an app, and it was like 1,500, and so he says he's giving it to me for 1,200, and so it's cheaper. And then I said, that's when I noticed, I'm like, it ain't possible for it to be that cheap. For it to be that cheap, for it to be that expensive. So I'm taking my chances. When I tried to leave, now he says he's gonna agree to give it for, I think, maybe initially I said I wanted it for 900, and then he says no, because it's not okay. He says it wants 985, and I'm like, 985 is like, it's still expensive, right? But then when I said I was leaving to go to another shop, it's like, oh, it's okay, you can bring it like that. I'm like, nah, they know I'm gonna get it cheaper. That's why they're trying to, like, accept it. Also, I felt like if I paid 900 for it, it may be too expensive, and I'll find a cheaper one later. So I'm just gonna take my chances and explore and see if I get a better one with that quality. So I literally got to another shop, and I'm taking a look at the drones here. They're saying this one takes 4K. But the video that they showed me doesn't really feel like, it's 4K, but they've got like a DJI here, so I think maybe that one would be a lot better, because they're the ones that got the fast camera that, you can wear the goggles and fly it and stuff. So I feel like maybe that one would be a lot better. I think this is also a controller for it. Yeah. So hopefully that one is a lot better than I expected. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. I hope it's a lot better, because most of the ones that I've seen in the other shops are more like for kids, to play with, and I want something that can actually shoot very good video. So I hope maybe one of these can do that. I'm not sure. Maybe these ones are super big, and I don't know, this is like, will be very difficult to carry. So, but I've seen people using this one as well. As you can see, this is also like a DJI. So I think most of the professionals like to use the DJI instead of just buying a random camera. And I think they also don't disappoint when it comes to like the footage, that's why. And so let's see how it goes. After I see the video, I'll decide if I want that one or not. In this shop, I asked for the footage to have a look at how it looks, and luckily they were making a video for a customer that was actually going to buy this drone. So I waited, saw the footage, asked for the prices, but I think these prices were a little high for me, and I thought I could get maybe better prices somewhere else, so I didn't buy from here. Next stop was this shop. It was literally a DJI store, and they had all the drones. They actually had what I was looking for, something very decent, not too big to carry, because I'm not a professional, like that shoots for events. So I just wanted something that I could easily fit in my bag and be able to, move around very easily. And these ones with the one I'm looking at currently is DJI 3 Mini 3. And you could see for yourself the camera quality is like great. So I was looking for something like this. The previous ones that I had seen in the other stores were not good. They claim it is 4K, but when you take a look at it, you just know, nope, this is not it, right? It looks like something kids would play with, right? Literally. So I didn't want to get those ones. I just wanted to try and get something decent. So I looked at these drones, try them out, looked at the camera. The one I'm currently looking at is DJI Mini 3, like I mentioned, and I was super interested in this one. But then this was DJI Mini 2. And there were other ones that I think they were slightly bigger than this one. This is the DJI Avatar. This is very famous, I think, because I saw this on a lot of platforms where people were flying these ones. And they're super expensive, at least not less than 6K RMB, right? So, depending on I think the package you want, it was expensive. So I took a look at the DJI Mini 2, what I can afford, or I thought I can afford, and this one was going for, I think, the Mini 2 was going for, I think, 2.5K with this controller. You have to connect your phone to it and then control it, right? So this guy was trying to let me see the quality, that it wasn't a big deal. This was me trying to figure out, the goggles and how these things worked. They're super fast as well. Even if you get this one, you gotta learn how to fly them so you don't break them. Yeah, so I did take my time, have a look at the prices, but it is expensive. It's really expensive to have. So I was just waiting for the guy to finish connecting his phone so I can have a look at what it actually looks like on the Mini 2. So this is him pairing up his phone with the Mini 2, just so I can have a look and know if I would want that one or I would want the Mini 3. So now it's connected and I had to take a look and make sure it is exactly what I wanted. So yeah, it also had great quality. So I was like, yeah, these are the cameras I have been looking for, like the drones I have been looking for. So I took a look at them and then I decided which one I wanted. This was going for, I think, is it 2,900? Yes, but I was able to get a bargain and get it at a good price for 2,400. So that was a pretty good deal for that. See, guys, this is what I do for you, trying to get good footage for you guys. So if you're watching now, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and share my video. This part was where I was trying to compare the prices and the packages that they had, trying to take a look at them and see if I could get something very decent. So I spoke to the guy, compared the prices, and then finally I made my decision. So I decided to get the DJI Mini 3 with the controller that I have to connect my phone with to fly the drone. Yeah, something I could afford. So while I was waiting for them to get the drone, I saw these camera gimbals. So it's like, okay, these look pretty cool. I'm pretty sure someone would be interested in these ones. Yeah, so I took my time and had a look at this as well. So at this point, I was asked if I wanted a bag for the drone. I was like, yeah, I want a bag. And they were like, oh, do I just want it in the box, or can they just package everything into the bag for me? I was like, yeah, sure, do that. I don't need the box because I'm going to use it myself. And then they gave me these propeller guards for the drone, which is what they told me was it's pretty easy to put on yourself or fix on the drone yourself. Yeah, so they went on ahead and got the bag. So at this point, I had done with the purchase and they were packing everything into the drone bag for me. One thing I think I didn't think about was the fact that I had to hold the drone and still go about vlogging. It wasn't very pleasant, but I think I'll do much better next time. Thank you guys for sticking through this video with me, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment of what you'd like to see more of. Until then, bye for now.